Gentlemen, you've ended, standing on the right leg and with the lady diagonally on your right side. Now lead her into the dip, take a step forward with the left leg, but make sure to first bend your right knee slightly. Take the step and rotate your entire body clockwise to face the partner. Drive your hips forward, keep your back straight, and straighten your elbows to lead the lady lower into the dip. You should keep most of your weight on the left leg and make sure to keep the left knee bent. To get out of this pose, push off the left leg, shift your weight to the right one, and use the hands to lead the lady back into the vertical position, positioning her in front of you. During the dip, do not lean over the partner. Contrary, keep your back straight to create the counterweight. Now the lady's perspective. Bend your knees slightly, take a step backward with the right leg. Right knee is bent, left leg is straight and in front of you. Direct your hips forward and up. Your right hip stays connected with the man. Tilt your upper body and head backward. Get back up, straighten your knee and take a side step to the left. Let's show the dip from the opposite direction as well. So again, bend your knee, step backward, tilt backward, get up and a side step. Notice that during the pose, you should stay within your own balance as much as you can, avoid pulling the man with you. Let's count this part. At this point, there is a small exception in our counting. We will only count up to 4 because that's the way this song is constructed. 1, 2, 3, 4.